How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Visnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, what you can do is simply go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet, and here enter in your passcode. Once you enter in your passcode and log in, you shall get an interface somewhat like this. At the home page, you'll get the option that says send, receive, buy, sell, and history. Simply tap on the buy option. Once you tap on buy, you want to go ahead and search in. Now you can choose the networks as well, and you can select the Bitcoin here. So I'll just select all networks and search in for BTC or Bitcoin. Now it's not loading up here, but it'll load up there, and what you can do is tap on Bitcoin and then go ahead and you can see the buy option as well. Tap on buy and it should take you to the prompts where you'll be able to select the amount you want to buy and then enter in all the necessary details and enter in your banking transaction details and make the payment, and you'll be good to go. So this is how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.